We hope you will find these assembly instructions helpful for your desk cart. First, we need to unpack the box. I'll have our two helpers open the box and remove the parts. So let's take out the two leg pieces and set them off to the side. As you may have noticed, Peter took a little package of hardware that you will need. And then the pre-assembled desktop will come out. And the piece that Peter is putting down is the bottom stretcher. In order to assemble the bed, you will need to loosen some of the cams that are holding the top together. This piece will just come off temporarily, and on the other side you have to loosen a couple of the cams, one on that end, or two, and then two on this end. Now we are going to prepare this leg here for assembling to the desktop. There are 7 Raffic pins that need to be inserted and screwed in. Now we're going to assemble this leg onto the desktop. Notice that Thomas slightly moves the front piece a little out so that it will slip onto the Raffic pins. And there are 5 Raffic pins that need to be tightened at this time. Now we'll assemble the second leg onto the desktop. And then the back stretcher. And now we'll attach the bottom stretcher. And now we will go ahead and flip the desk over and set it up. The last thing is to attach the handle to the front drawer. Currently it is stored inside the drawer, so you'll remove the screws and put the handle on the outside of the drawer. assembly is now complete.